Welcome to AK Tech. Here you find innovations. Today we are going to say how to convert image to a plotter image by RE. First go to the link in description. Then download the zip file from the link. Then extract it. After extracting you will see many JavaScript files to run. So go to the browser. Search Java download. After downloading and installing, come back to extracted file. Then open main.html. Then click on Open Image. Then click Use Image. After adjusting all the values to make image clear. Then click on Download SVG. After open it on Inkscape and upload to the plotter. Inkscape video coming soon. Subscribe for more videos.